Beady roll call. What's up, I'm Aya? C-O-L-E, Colette. Hey, 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 my life coming your way. This is Gwen. Sister Stacy, you can't beat me. Hands up for Mika, let's go. I'm Joanna. Yeah, it's your girl Sheena.
Nasa sala ako. Ini-imagine ko sarili ko nasa asap ako. Parang everyone naman, diba, gusto mag-artista. Tinder pala. Sumasayaw na ako kung makakanta. Happy ako pag ginagawa ko. Sumasayaw ako with my childhood friend. Pink Pao. Not really anything serious. Pero I always enjoy being on the stage.
And then one day, si Mami, siya yung nagsabi sa akin, tinanong niya ako, sabi na, gusto mo ba mag-audition sa Araneta?
Yun yung story. Talagang dahil nga nag-pandemic, 8 months, 9 months ata kami kulong na kami lang. Gusto ko magka-sisters, pero hindi ko in-expect na ibibigay ni Lord times 7. Paano ba namin na-survive yun? Ang daming away, misunderstanding, sagutan, pero yung time na yun, humiga kami, magkakahawak na lang kami ng kamay. Lahat ng gusto namin sabihin, tinapon lang namin sa universe.
Ang daming times na naghihirap talaga sila eh. Kasi nakita ko yung iyak nila, nakita ko yung tawa nila, nakita ko rin yung hard work nila.
This 8 talaga, may certain magic sila eh, nung nagsama-sama na sila.
Isang malaking challenge din, paano sila ipapakilala.
One day it just came to me that I want to call them me.
What is known as P-pop now becoming pop?
The nation's girl group making waves.
Sa ibang lugar sa bansa, rehearsal para sa 8-day sold-out concert. It was our first ever solo concert. It's now or never, ganun labanan. Wala pang 1 month yung preparation namin. One concert is hard enough. Can they survive 3 days? Kailangan natin ba yung tigal to? Wala pa kami yung 4 room.
Fly, everything stopped.
Nararamdaman ko, parang kumabot na sa ilong ko. Ako kasi pagkalang ko, hindi ko na The couple minutes before it started, nakita ko yung audience. Kami ang magkakasama, kami may alam talaga ng lahat ng napagdaanan namin girls. And the fact that we are still here, we're together, at the end of the day, nangingibaba po yung love. Parang wala akong masyadong rason to give up, diba? Parang sila palang enough na to stay.
There's a heart of pure and passion between